Hello everyone. It's a fine morning and quite cool. After breakfast, we shall be moving on to see the Great Wall of China. There's this big panda soft toy sitting at the entrance to the hotel. A giant panda is a symbol of peace, harmony, friendship, and wildlife conservation. Soak in the beauty of China as we ride a bus towards the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China isn't a single wall but a vast network of fortifications stretching over 21,000 kilometers across northern China. Construction of the wall started in the 3rd century BC primarily by the Qin and Ming dynasties, and it took over 2,000 years to build. It features sophisticated architecture including watchtowers, barracks, and fortified defensive passes. It was built to secure China's agricultural heartland and border from nomadic tribes and Mongol Empire. We have arrived at the spot where we'll take the funicular up towards the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall is the longest man-made structure in the world, snaking across varying and treacherous terrain from the deserts to steep mountains. While the oldest parts were made of packed earth and clay, the later Ming sections famously used bricks, stone, and a binding mixture of sticky rice. We have arrived at BADALING, the most popular and heavily visited section of the wall. More than just a military defense, it remains a powerful symbol of China's historical resilience, unification, and national identity. The Great Wall of China was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. It is recognized as a profound reflection of ancient architectural technology, strategic planning, and a clash between agricultural and nomadic civilizations. The Great Wall's first widely credited builder is Qin Shi Huang, the emperor who united most of China for a short-lived dynasty from 221 to 206 BC. After riding the funicular back to base, we took some photographs with traditionally dressed boys and girls. We are now moving on to visit the JADE factory. This is the Beijing Jade Article Factory Sale Hall. Jade factories feature vast galleries displaying everything from small pendants and bangles to massive, intricately carved dragon ships and Buddha statues. People often shop here for jade jewelry, statues, and vessels. In Chinese culture, jade is often considered the most precious stone, often valued above gold. It is a powerful symbol of purity, wisdom, morality, and immortality. Far beyond mere jewelry, it represents the vital link between heaven and earth, serving for millennia as a talisman for protection and good fortune. It's now time for lunch. We are here to see the Summer Palace. We were supposed to take the boats to the summer palace, but unfortunately, due to the drizzling and strong winds, boating has been suspended. Right across the Kunming Lake, we can see the summer palace. The summer palace in Beijing is the largest and best preserved imperial garden in China. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is renowned as a masterpiece of traditional Chinese landscape design. It's disappointing that this second time around we couldn't see a Chinese garden. The Summer Palace Imperial Garden was conceived by the King Emperor Qianlong between 1750 and 1767. The 17-arch bridge is the largest and grandest bridge in the Summer Palace, stretching 150 meters across the Kunming Lake. It connects the eastern bank to Nanhu Island. It was built in 1750 during the Qing dynasty. We are now heading for the Olympic Stadium, Beijing. The Beijing National Stadium is known as the Bird's Nest. It gained global fame as the centerpiece of the 2008 Summer Olympics and later the 2022 Winter Olympics. It is the only stadium in the world to host the opening and closing ceremonies for both the Summer and Winter Olympic and Paralympic Games. Its construction was completed in June 2008. This national stadium covers an area of 204,000 square meters with a seating capacity of 80,000. This stadium had a record attendance of 89,102 during the Nigeria-Argentina Olympic football match on 23rd August 2008. In my next video, we shall see the Tiananmen Square.